Hello, good evening one and all present here. Today we discussed about the topic types of entries in a library catalog. I am Dr. P. Gomati, Assistant Professor, Department of Library and Information Science. Introduction. A entry may be defined as an ultimate unit code in a catalog or a documentation list. In other words, it is a record of an item in a catalog. Basically, a catalog is an arrangement of entries representing documents. It may be mentioned here that once an entry is prepared for a document, be it in a author entry, title entry, or subject entry, etc. It is a permanent record of the library. It is the unit record of given document. Types of entries in a catalog: main entry, added entry, analytical entries, reference entries. Main entry. Main entry is the principal entry for a document and it is the fullest entry. A main entry, as the name implies, is the most important entry for a document. It contains maximum bibliographical information about the document and it is the basic entry. The main entry is divided into heading, description, tracing. The title of the main entry is the most important part. The title either gives the name of the author of book or gives the title. It starts with the first margin on the main line. Description. Description is the largest part of the main entry. It has the following 8 fields: statement of account, edition, a specific description of the type of document or publication description, etc. Alphabetical description, Granthalmala, command standard number and availability terms. Tracing. Under this, the title of the redundant entries to be made in addition to the main entry is given a separate paragraph and it is written at the end. Call number. Under this, there is a class number and a text number. The square number starts writing from the leftmost edge of the listed sheet on the line just above the main line and it's move straight forward on the same line. Since the number is small, it ends before the title. The index is written with a pencil. Accession number, it is written on the fourth lower line, counting the main line. Added entry in the lexicographic list, which is constructed according to the rules of AACR 2. The unit sheet method for redundant entries is adopted. Added entries. Added entry has been defined by AACR 2 as an added entry additional to the main entry by which an item is represented in a catalog, a secondary entry. According to Dr. S. R. Ranganathan, a entry other the main entry is an added entry. In other words, an added entry is for joint authors, collaborators, editors, translators, illustrators, commentators, compliers, title, series, and subjects. Analytical entries. An analytical entry is a specific type of cataloging or indexing record. It aims to provide detailed bibliographic information about individual items like articles, chapters, essays, or specific sections within a larger collection or document. Purpose: indexing specific content, detailed access, resource management. Reference entries. References is a direction from one heading or entry to another. A C reference directions the user from the name of the person or a corporate body or the title of a work or subject or name of series under which the user might be reasonably expected to look to the form that has been chosen by the cataloger as a heading or as uniform title. A C also reference directs the user from one heading to a related heading. These are the references to verify. Thanks for watching our channel.